May I come in, teacher?
Yes, come in. Please be seated.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome.
Assalamu alaikum, teacher.
Waalaikumsalam. What's your full name, please?
This is Zaharan Zabad Nakhatro. But my friends and family members love to call me Nakhatro because this is my nickname and I'm quite familiar with this name, sir.
Do you like our name?
Definitely, sir, because it has a beautiful meaning. It means wisdom.
Is your name important to you?
Yes, of course, because it's my identity. This name represents me to the family, to the society, to the country and to the world.
Can I see your ID, please?
Sure, sir. Here it is, sir.
Okay. Here is it.
Thank you, teacher. Is it okay, sir?
Yes. Where are you from?
Actually, I'm from Khulna, but currently I'm living in Manikganj because of my education purpose. And I think Manikganj is one of the most beautiful and well-known district of Bangladesh.
Do you study or work?
Actually, I'm a full-time student, sir.
What do you study?
I study English, sir.
Where do you study?
I study English at Kids English Club, Manikganj.
How old are you?
I'm not less than 35, sir. Sir, if you don't mind, may I ask you some questions or may I talk to you more?
Okay.
Could you tell me your full name, please?
My full name is Jahan Jabal Nakhatro.
Nice name, sir. What is your age, please, sir?
I am currently 6 years old.
Great. Are you a student?
Yes.
Please, sir. What class are you in?
I am in nursery.
Nursery. What is your father's name, sir?
My father's name is Shahjahan Shimul.
What does he do?
My father is a teacher.
Teacher. What does your mother do?
My mother is a homemaker.
Homemaker. Great. What is your ambition, sir?
My ambition be a good student.
Good student. Very good. I'm very happy to talk to you, sir. I'm so lucky to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir. Take care, sir.
Take care.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Waalaikumsalam.